Hey, Mandy, surprise me. One more, massage me. There. Guys. Ngayon ako naman yung minamasahe. No, level 1 only. Ayan. Ayan yung masahe natin, guys. Time check gabi. Ay, Mandy. Not in my butt. Kaya hindi tayo nagpapamasahe, guys. Nakakakiliti. Tsaka gusto natin masahe, guys, yung that's my tailbone. Hey, Mandy, yung brief ko. My butthole. Hey.
Uy, Mandy.
That's too much, Mandy. You're jackhammering me. I said, Mandy, it should only be Mama, eh. You know.
You said Mama and me.
Tumutunog na eh. Dahan-dahan lang, guys. First time na nga alam magpamasahe. Ganito pa mangyayari, masaker. Mandy.
Makulit na yung Mandy.
Ay, ayaman si Mama. Kasi yung gusto natin masahe, guys. Kay Mrs. Nakaharap. Wala ba nakaharap dyan? May sebo. Mandy, sa leg si Mama. Hey, why did you fart? Sino mo tot? Hey, Mandy. Guys, Mandy farted. Baby. Nakakalita yung baby. Nandiyan sa paa. Babe, wag. Nakakalita, hindi ako sanay. Hirap na naman ng... Dyan. Pwede sa hita. Mandy.
I'm massaging
Hey,
you.
Mandy, don't part here. And then after this, si Mama naman. Hey! Again! Mandy, right on my back. So, medyo special yun, guys. Kasama yun sa special massage ang utot ng bata. Mama! Kasama ba yun dyan? Kasama sa talampakan!
Let me try.
Buti kinakaya mo dyan. In my butthole! Not in my butthole! Diyan. Sanay ba ako dyan? Grabe,
Let me try.
Wala na ba? Mandy! Not in my butthole!